In this part, I am going to show the audit category feature in the franchisee management module. Audit category helps us to organize a franchisee audit in the structured way. Instead of keeping all audit points together in one long list, we can divide them into clear sections like operation, hygiene, finance, customer service, or brand compliance. This makes audit easier to prepare, easy to review, and more useful for follow-up action. To see this feature, we go to the franchisee management module, then open the configuration and click the audit category. Here we can see the list of all audit category already created in the system. Each category represents an area that the business want to check during the franchisee inspection or compliance review. Now, if I want to create a new category, I click on new, then I enter the category name. For example, I can create a category like brand standard, finance compliance, customer service, marketing compliance, operations, or hygiene and safety. After that, I can add a short description. This description helps the team understand what kind of check should come under this category. For example, if the category is hygiene and safety, the description may include cleanliness, food safety, staff hygiene, and equipment safety checks. Once I save it, the category becomes available for use in the audit process. The main use of audit category is to make an audit record more organized. When the compliance team perform an audit, they can group finding under the correct category. This gives a better reporting and also make it easy to identify which area needs improvement. For example, if multiple franchisee units are failing under the financial compliance category, management can quickly understand that the issue is related to a finance process, not operation or customer service. In the same way, if many issues are found under the brand standard, the business knows that brand consistency needs attention. So in simple terms, audit category act like audit section. They keep the audit process neat, clear and easy to manage across all franchisee outlets. So that was the audit category feature. It helps organize franchisee audit into meaningful business areas, improve reporting and make compliance tracking much easier for the management team.